Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to view Navisworks files. First, you'll need the right software. Navisworks Freedom is a free viewer, perfect for opening NWD and DWF files. You can download it directly from the Autodesk website. For more advanced features, consider Navisworks Manage or Simulate. Always check your system requirements to ensure smooth performance before installation. This ensures a hassle-free setup process. Once Navisworks Freedom is installed, launch the application. To open your model, simply go to the File menu and select Open. Then, navigate to where your NWD or DWF file is saved and select it. Keep in mind that larger models might take a few moments to load completely, so be patient as the software processes the data. Navigating your model is straightforward. The Orbit tool lets you rotate your view around the model, giving you a full 360-degree perspective. To move your view horizontally or vertically, use the Pan tool. And for getting a closer look or seeing the bigger picture, simply use your mouse's scroll wheel to zoom in and out. These basic tools will help you explore your design effectively. To delve deeper into your model's information, the selection tree is incredibly useful. It displays a hierarchical view of your model, allowing you to select and isolate specific elements. The Properties window then provides detailed information about any selected object, such as its dimensions or material. These tools are essential for understanding your project's components. For an easier way to keep your home clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Find the link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.